So Cowbridge is already jam-packed with stuff, and it's only 8:30. It's supposed to start at 9. So we've managed to park in Waitrose car park. But let's have a look and see what's coming in.
Prohibition. They run the Prohibition there.
Oh, right.
And because they're a Canadian one, they're more comfortable,
Yeah.
and they're faster than the American ones.
Really?
So because you've got a 6-cylinder engine and you're running the whiskey.
Amazing. How many of these are around in the country?
I don't know because it was registered with the Mclaren Club of Canada, but it was the only one.
Right.
There's saloon chassis, but not the golfer's coupe. It's only new ones, isn't it?
Fabulous. Well done, boy. Howard Gadd worked on these.
Did he?
Designed some parts for them. Good colour. Big scandal. Made in Belfast. I haven't seen one of those. Neither. As well, like we had. really good to be.
You start up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
It's an aero.
An aero.
That's beautiful, isn't it? Eh?
Yeah, it's really nice. Interesting colour.
Oh, so thick.
Smart. Now that is nice lines.
Shame he's parked it next to the bins, really.
Eh?
I said it's a shame he's parked it next to the bins.
Yeah. What make is it?
Really nice. I think this is the 400 with Aura. John will shoot me watching this back because it's probably not now. I don't know what that is.
Yeah, nice design as well.
No, it's a Lotus.
I've butchered that, I think.
It's a Lotus.
Wait for John to tell me what this is.
Oh, he's doing it. I don't know how they get away without no front number plates.
No. Probably get pulled over a few times. Imagine delivering tables in that
Look at
thing.
these, kid.
Ah, these are cool.
That is beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. These are cool.
Absolutely beautiful.
And the Ford pickup, look.
Fair play. Absolutely beautiful. It's not far off the Jag colour, is it?
It's a beautiful colour. Go on. Go on, go for it, Dad.
That is beautiful, isn't it, Josh? Hey?
So nice, isn't it?
Absolutely. Look at this. You know, the craftsmanship into making something, into doing something like this.
I just love the colour.
Yeah.
Massive wheels. The size of them.
That for design. Yeah. That was it. 36 grand in 1989.
I'll tell you what, I can't get over these. Look at that, that purple one's lovely as well.
Yeah.
I bet they're worth a bob or two.
Absolutely. That's amazing in wood. Imagine making
Beautiful.
that. Hey? I wonder if Adrian could make this. Bloody hell. In oak.
Look at that. Just the detail is so interesting to look at.
Look how low the bumper is.
I know. He's obviously got on air suspension.
Alright. Oh, I tell you what.
But I'd much rather look at this kind of stuff
Yeah.
than the supercar.
Yeah,
It
and me.
sounds bizarre, I know,
it's
but
ridiculous. But if somebody said to me, do you want a Lamborghini or do you want that? I'll have that.
yeah,
To go out with
yeah, beautiful. Just so interesting, you know.
Yeah.
The shape of some of these. I dread to think how much they cost. They've got to be a bob or two.
Yeah. Can't. There's no windows, Josh. That's an old Ford Popular. 20 grand.
20 grand.
How'd you see it parking? Oh, Ford Anglia. Yeah. 30 quid for it.
So that was your first car in.
Yeah. And I sold it a year later for 35. JH9433.
In the same colour.
I started it with the handle.
Take some photos and then I can show it.
Well, that handle at the front.
I had to get my dad to sit in there with his foot on the clutch before I could start it.
It's a lovely car, isn't it?
Beautiful car. Austin 7 Ruby Saloon.
I just want to touch it.
This is an A35, I had an A30. And again, I paid 30 quid for that. had a heater in it. So my girlfriend was over the moon about that. First car with a heater in.
Yeah, Honda S2000. Spotted John's car. The blue one. Oh, he's got a sheet in it. I drove it the other day.
Did you?
Yeah. I found it quite difficult to drive, to be honest.
Is he doing it up or he's just keeping it as
Well, I think he's been doing it up for some time.
Yeah.
But apparently lots more he wants to do to it and get it running right. So that is Cowbridge Cars and Coffee. We saw some amazing things, some really interesting things. It's interesting that there were so many really expensive cars like Lamborghini SVJ, you know, loads of Ferraris, loads of McLarens, unbelievable amount of 911s. There's a lot of very valuable stuff, but we just found the American stuff and the cheap stuff even more interesting. Bit of a shame towards the end, there were a few kids that were just littering and chucking stuff about, so which wasn't nice, and there's always a few idiots that like screaming up the high street at 40-50 mile an hour when it's a 20 mile an hour limit, but there we are. Sometimes you get these things. But I'm now going to swap over cars. Dad's Porsche. I'm now going to swap cars to take Dad's Jag to the garage, because had a little bump in it the other day. It wasn't his fault, it was some woman's fault that cut him up. So I'm going to take the Jag to the garage and I will show you that in the next video. So hope you enjoyed seeing the cars as much as we did. Time to swap over and take the Jag.